how to allow and disallow download my videos on REDnote. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can allow and disallow download my videos on REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your REDnote app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, head over to the bottom right corner where it says Me. After you're on your profile page, you will see a settings icon right besides the edit profile option. Tap on the settings icon to head over to your settings. Now before we move on with this forward, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button. Now let's get back into it. Now what you'll need to do after you're on the settings is head over to your privacy settings. Now under the interaction, you will see an option called allow downloading of all my videos. Now by default this will be turned on, so if you want to turn this off, simply toggle the button off and you're good to go. And now people will be disallowed from downloading your videos, and it's that simple. Now if you want to allow download my videos on your REDnote app, simply turn this on, and it's basically that simple. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like the video, and bye bye.